Good morning, my beautiful people. So on the segment of today's video, we're going to be talking about coins that will do well in this bull run. So the first coin on my list is Matic, and currently it's trading for 0.8857 at the time of making this video, and the chart pattern is clear. Okay, we came from this zone, it created a flag pattern, then it broke out of this chart pattern going as high as $2. Then we'll have this consolidation giving us another flag pattern. I'm expecting to actually hold this pair for as long as $10 possibly. So imagine buying this coin at 0.8 and this coin crazily pulls up to $10. I don't need to tell you how much you're making. With as low as $1, you can take that $1 to $10 absolutely doing nothing just by watching my video. So that's the first coin we're having right now. The second coin on my list is Mana. Okay, so this is the highest Mana has gotten to, which is 5.9. I can call it $6, and currently it is at 0.4659 at the time of making this video. Yeah, so this is the analysis on Matic. First of all, we're going to be targeting these highs. Then from here, we're expecting a breakout to give us a new higher high before a possible pullback on this pair. So sorry, before a possible pullback on this coin. Yeah, so the next coin on my list is NFT. Yeah, you heard me right, NFT. Let's go to the daily time frame. Trust me, this coin is promising. So the current price for NFT is 0.0000003282. Yeah, that is a lot of zeros, trust me. And the highest this has gotten to is 0.0000063677, which is gonna be crazy. We'll have this little trend, then a break of the trend at daily time frame and a retest. I was really expecting market to come back to this previous support it created here, but possibly it might not. Okay, this is the analysis, and this is what I'm looking out for. NFT. So this is the next coin you should watch out. Okay, the next coin on my list is Cake. At the time of making this video, Cake is currently at 2.138, and I'm expecting Cake to go as high as $44. You heard me right. Okay, we'll have the trend line. Market has broken that trend line, retested it, so surely we are bullish on this coin. So this is the analysis, and this is the setup. You had it right. We're buying this. So the next coin on my list is Uniswap. Yes, Uniswap currently is at $5, which is a bit expensive. I'm also expecting this to go as high as 44 or even higher than that. You heard it right. So this is how I'm expecting this to go. And the next coin, I want to make this video as short as possible. The next coin is Sand USD. Okay, so currently it's sold for 0.4462. I'm expecting this to go as high as $8. So what am I looking out here? We'll have a high, which as I said is $8. Right now our low is 0.2747 and currently sold for 0.4462. It broke a trend, retested that trend, and kind of gave us a form of a resistance zone, sorry, a support zone. So right now I'm expecting this to go as high as the previous high it created, which means I'm also bullish on this coin. You heard it right, I'm bullish on this particular coin. Let's see how far this can go, but we're expecting this to go this high or even higher than this. This one is Shiba Inu, a very funny shitcoin. Shitcoins have sent me back to village, trust me. I hate anything shitcoins, but if this coin happens to do crazy well in the long term, we can actually make crazy money. So right now Shiba Inu is sitting at our support zone, which it came the first time. Let me keep this properly. Which it came the first time here, but dropped back, came back again to that same zone, went up, came back the third time to that zone, so I can call this a very strong support. Now at the same time, it's giving us this descending pattern. Now I really want to see this pair break, I want to see this coin break this zone, retest it, but already I'm in for the buys. Okay, I'm in for the buy. It's actually a risk thing, but I feel like this coin has stayed for a long time. I'm part of the people that witnessed this crazy buy on this coin, and I feel like if this meme coin could do more in the future, I really want to be part of this profit made from this coin alone. So I want to really see how far this coin can go. So I'm already on this, but I'm really expecting this to break this trend line. Okay, Shiba Inu should break this daily time frame trend line, a retest, and we are boom, we're buying this to this high. Look at it, we're buying this from here to this high, even higher. Okay, the next coin on my list. Now if you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. I'll be going through each and every one of them. So the next coin we'll have here is AGIX USDT. Okay, so this gave us a support at 0.15790, came back to that zone. I can strongly call this a double bottom W pattern. So this is actually, I'll show you how a double bottom looks like. This will call a change of direction. You can see that. Yeah, that is it. Is what a double bottom. So where am I expecting this guy to go next? I'm expecting this coin to go as high. Let me delete this so that you guys understand this chart pattern very well. Okay, so this is as high as I'm expecting this to go. I'm expecting expecting this to go this high. Yeah, that's it. So whenever you see a double bottom or W pattern or M pattern, is actually a pattern that shows a change of direction in the market. Okay, so this already shows that we are buying. But am I gonna really jump into this? Actually, no, that's a no-go area for me. I like to be more conservative with things I do. So what am I gonna be looking out for? Simple. I'm gonna plot our fib level. Right here, and we're gonna keep it right here. So let's say that market happens to pull back from here. I'm gonna be more interested at 70 and 60% retracement zone, which is this and this. These are the zones I want to buy this coin from. Okay, so at this point it reduces my risk and makes it more easier. So this will be the setup. The setup might look like this. The target will be, of course, these highs first. That's our first TP. Our XL will just be below the range of the W pattern. Something, no, don't be stingy. Something like this. This is 1:7, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and that is it. Okay, if market breaks this healthily, we can even target as high as $1 for this coin. Yeah, you heard me, as high as $1. So imagine buying this with $1, depending on how much you have and how much you feel like risking into this. And we happen to wait because these are currently at 0.25. You can buy now if you want to, but I feel like a possible retest will really make sense to the neckline. Okay, this is just a pure chart pattern rule. We should actually come back to the neckline. I'm gonna draw this out for you all. For the sake of network, I may not really be analyzing these things like one after the other the way I really want to do, but I just hope you get it. But feel free to ask questions. I will explain. I don't mind explaining, bringing out my time to explain to you guys what I mean. I want you all to understand what I'm doing right now. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I feel like this coin is gonna drop a little bit of pullback, then take this high. I'll take this high. I'm gonna be on this one. I really like what I'm seeing here, but it's already moved up, so I'll pull back to my fib level 60 and 70. Are we on this? Staying on ocean, market just broke this flat pattern right here, and I feel like a possible retest of this zone. I got this from here. Possible retest of this zone. Let me put that right here. Possible retest of the zone or here should be giving us the spike up. So we're expecting a pullback, possible pullback to this zone or anywhere around this particular previous support. Then we're taking this back higher, or possibly at this zone, sorry for that, possibly to this high or this high. So yeah, Ocean is one coin you should look out for. The next coin has to be FET USDT, as FET USDT. So what am I looking out for this? Already do have a trend line, first touch, second touch. I'm expecting a touch to the trend, but we're not given that. I'm so sorry that this video might be longer than expected. Okay, this is a high. We're still maintaining this high. So what am I actually expecting right now? A possible drop to this trend, but at first it might have to take out these highs, this previous high. Now taking out this high might actually mean that market might have to go really higher to this previous high. They may be coming back to this trend and spiking crazily up. So this is the next coin you should look out for, FET. Yeah, FET is another coin, but I'm still watching closely on this. The next one is TRX USDT. Yeah, this is another one that's really going crazy, and I'm expecting it to go even higher. So if you really wanted to buy this, you would have bought this from this zone, which will have made you more money because it will be very cheap at that zone. Currently it has 0.1, that's like 10 cents, or I call that 11 cents. So right now, what are we expecting? Possibly pullback. With massive moves like this, always expect a pullback. Don't just jump into this, okay? As an investor and even as a trader, even investors, I don't think investors would like to jump into a candle like this. What if it pulls back down before going higher? You can plot your fib level, which I don't know if network will allow me plot. Yeah, can plot your fib level from here. If it happens to drop to a good fib level, which can be anywhere around, I think 70 is really gonna make sense. 70 will make more sense for us to buy this longer. So I'm not really gonna be jumping into this. I'll just keep this right here and see how this plays out. But already our first target will be 0.18033. That's the first zone we'll be looking out for. The next thing is this famous meme coin, which was listed on Binance recently. We call it meme USDT. As I said, I'm not really a big fan of meme coins. I hate meme coins because I know how much I've lost. And meme coins, crazy ton of money. So this is the low and this is the high. I see this as a pullback, but who knows, this might actually melt totally down because we don't have a lot of data right now. I can't anticipate what we're heading to, but if you want to take the risk, you can buy, and let's see if this can go even higher, breaking this previous wicked drop here. Okay, so anything you're taking here is taking it out of risk. There is no analysis to back this up because, as I said, technical analysis is taking advantage of past events to predict future outcome of the market. Now at this, what we have here right now on this chart, we just have one candle and we have consolidating candles. I can't see anything more unless we have to go down to a lower time frame to see what is really happening here. Okay, now another bonus I'll give you guys for actually staying till now on this video is the fact that you can always come to the comment section, drop the coin you have in mind to buy, and I'll analyze it properly for you. So I want to check the lower time frame of this and see if we can find anything. But from the daily perspective of this market, as an investor, I am not a trader. A trader will always go for lower time frame to, like, make quick money. But since we're holding this for a long time, possibly 6 months, 5 months, or thereafter, we just have to look at the bigger perspective of the market. But at this point, as I said, there is no data to claim whether we are buying or selling. So let's go to lower time from like 1 hour 15 minutes and see what we have there, if it interests us to like go long or short this coin. Don't forget, it's a meme coin. I repeat, it's a meme coin. A meme coin are coins that don't really have much functions to actually play. You understand? So it is more of this quick make money scheme it comes with, whereby a candle flies up, people make money, and next thing it drops. If you buy the rumor, you will end up getting stuck, losing money. And if you happen to like catch most of these coins at a very early stage, you can make money and go out of it. But if you get greedy, which happened to me back then, you end up holding and expecting something higher, and at the end of the day you see your crazy profit turn to 0.0 cents. That is the crazy thing about meme coin. Okay guys, welcome back to my screen. Okay, the network is back up again. You're gonna give me time because this is really choppy. I don't get anything here. You know what, let's use this rather. Let's use this rather. This is really confusing to analyze. I'll do my best. I'll do my best for you guys. I'll do my best. Okay, let me do quick. I just pray this video doesn't get this long, but even if it does, I hope you will get the value needed from this video. Okay, and you guys should drop in the comment section which coin you're gonna be buying, you know. Okay, that's the highs and there's the low. Don't have minor lows and minor highs, but let's focus on the minor highs because we want to be buying, you know. I'm gonna keep this at just one because it's just a minor high. We'll have major highs and minor highs, major highs, minor highs, major highs, minor highs. What else? Okay, I have a trend line, something little here. Okay, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad. Not bad. I'm gonna be focusing more on this one. You know, let's focus more on this one. Really, nigga. Okay. So my network decided to like disappoint me today. So from a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes right now, I feel like I'm gonna be supporting more of the buys and the sells. Why? I was playing. Network is really bad. Like, I really want to break down this. Like, I want to break down this. You get me? But my network is just fucking me up. God. As well. Don't forget the target on this coin. Wait, let me just refresh this one more time. Let's refresh this. Network, come on. Don't do this to me. Come on, don't do this to me. Think it's coming? Yeah. Wow, guys. Wow, it's our prayers are answered. So let's just do this quick and let's get started on this video. The rate how I analyze the market, you guys should like rate me. How do I analyze my market? Does it make sense to you? Or is it boring? Like, is it boring? Okay. I'm gonna be really quick here. Quick. Yeah. You can analyze anything, like this guy, me, anything. Just that, you know, you can't be a jack of all trades and a master of none. I just focus more on trading, and I just want to use this as a side hustle where you just invest and keep it on. With time, we're gonna go into this, but right now, man, like so many things on my head. I can't be doing this. The one what they do, bro. Like, it's not easy. But with time, as I said, we'll get straight into this, like fully. What about we trading this, future trading, and everything? Okay, so this is all I can see on this chart. This is a previous support zone. Okay, this is our previous resistance zone. Now resistance, I'll give an example of what resistance is. This is like a resistance. Okay, now you can see that market came here, dropped, market went back there, created like an M pattern, dropped, came back again, dropped, came back again, dropped, then flew up, came, you know, played around with the zone, and now market has turned this to our support. So it's just like market trying to break the zone. It dropped. The second time it dropped. The third time it dropped. Now at some point market was able to break, you know, it broke the zone. Now market breaking the zone, you know, came back to like retest it. Now retesting that is turning into support. So this is our resistance turning into support, helping this pair or this coin to go even higher up. You get me? So right now, As I said, I'm a big fan of the buys and the sell on meme coin. Let's see how far this can go. So what's next? Like, should I just jump into this? Absolutely no. Gonna be conservative, don't forget. So what I'm looking out for is this zone, this bad boy right here. That's the next thing we're looking out for. Want to see what happens here. So I'm gonna keep this right this, and I will explain. I have to explain. I will explain tire, but evidence D, don't worry. But now, boy fans, are you guys here? Evidence D, don't worry. So right now, this is how I feel like this guy is trying to target. I'm gonna keep it right here. This is where I think this dude is coming off for. Okay, and possibly we'll have to be pulling back into this range. Then at this range, we should be expecting something crazy. Yeah, you heard it from me. Buy this coin, but be careful. Not a financial advisor, but buy this coin. Based on technicals, I feel like, okay, this is really nice. This is really nice to buy this. This is really nice. This is pure chart pattern, no indicator. I don't use indicator whatsoever. I just show you guys the clean chart. I want to see you guys make money. That is why this YouTube channel was created. I'm so sorry that I'm not really gonna be consistent, but I will try as much as possible to be, okay, because I love coming on my screen and show you guys what I have here, and we can actually make money from there. You get me? And don't forget to tell me the coins you're gonna buy in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching up to now. Please subscribe, like the video, and peace.